Okay, so I've gotten this question 2 times in the past month, so I knew it was time to make a video on it. And the question was, if I'm starting a YouTube channel, don't have one right now, need to create one, should I upload consistently and how many should I do, or should I film several videos at one time and then upload them so that way when someone goes to my YouTube channel, I have several videos to work with? So let's just really break this down. First of all, I really think that you should be uploading to the amount that you can consistently keep up with. Meaning, if you can only do one a month, then you need to be uploading one video a month to YouTube. If you can realistically keep up with one a day, then do one a day. If it's one a week, so whatever that frequency is for you, and you know your business and you know yourself enough to know, can I realistically keep up with this? Now, in my opinion, the bad part about filming, say, 10, 20, 30 videos in, say, one day or a weekend, and then uploading them all to YouTube, you're gonna have a problem with, if someone goes to your YouTube channel, now you have 15, 20 videos with maybe 1 or 2 views each. And people may think, are people watching these videos? Like, what's going on? And also the time frame, they're going to know as well that they were all uploaded in the past week or couple of days. So it's very similar to working out or getting in shape. Having an effective YouTube channel is going to take consistency, meaning if you're working out, you can't just work out legs for 2 or 3 hours a day, 7 days a week, and expect to see results. It's the consistency. It's working out legs once a week, doing the exercises correctly, eating correctly, and then over time, you're going to see the results. So no, I do not recommend basically batch uploading or batch filming. Another reason I don't recommend that is you're probably going to be in the same setting and wearing the same thing, so it's going to seem like it's one kind of video anyway. What I like to do with my clients is film at different locations, they're in different settings, doing different types of projects. Even if they're wearing the same thing, you kind of understand that, because a lot of us wear uniforms. I'm wearing a uniform right now myself. So my suggestion again on frequency is whatever you can realistically do. And with my clients, we're doing a monthly video shoot. That's what we can realistically commit to each month. If you can do more, that's great, but again, it goes back to what you can keep up with. But I highly recommend that you avoid the batch upload. Hope this helps.